So there's another update. So this is the rain that's actually hitting right now. See it running up in our puddle out there. Wind's picked up slightly. Tree's actually leaning over a little bit. Look at that. I think we're right in the middle of the heaviest part of the storm right now. You can really call it a storm. Not exactly doing much. A little water in the street. Nothing serious. Every old day storm. Big deal. It rains harder than this frequently. So. There you go. Wind's barely moving. There you go. I can see the rain coming down a little bit at an angle like this. But wind's obviously coming out from north. Running backwards. See those trees way down there blowing along, leaning over a little bit. But once again, that's not really a big deal around here. For all the big news reports saying how great it's going to be or bad it's going to be, we got nothing here. Nothing to show. A little bit of rain. There you go. I don't think it's going to be any heavier than this, but if it does, we'll let you know. But for now, we got squat. Oh, there's a plane. Oh, he's coming in sideways up there. Yeah, he's flying sideways. There's some wind up there. He's definitely blowing it sideways there. Yeah, the wind's blowing that way. He was coming in like this. We watched it. He was fighting it a little bit. Yeah. So they ain't keeping from flying in because it's no big deal. All right, there you go.